Hello ladies and gentlemen, I am a YouTuber. Woo! Welcome back to my channel. This is Neli.
Hi guys.
If you have been on my Instagram page, The Stories We Tell, you would know her or recognize her. She shared one of her testimonies about being healed through worship. If you don't know it, go check it out. Today we are in Faerie Glen Nature Reserve and we just decided we're gonna hike.
Yes.
And we're gonna eat.
Yes.
And I brought my colouring in.
So we're going to color.
Yeah, we're gonna be little kitties. I'm such a grandma.
What?
Because I sew, well, not so much anymore, but I sew, I bake, I have Uggs. I colour in. So
we can either go this way, that way.
I'm just gonna follow your lead because I've never been here. Okay, we're going this way, guys. Bye.
See you.
Woo! We are grandmothers. We are both very unfit. I'm breathing hard. And we haven't even... Look, that's not even that steep.
Yeah.
And look how much we have left to go. Oh,
We're almost halfway though.
thank you. Amen. Let's keep going. Wow. We should do this more often. So we don't tire us so much. The grandmas made it to the top of the hill, guys. Woo. That is our view. I think that is a very good reward for struggling so much. Oh, it's actually really nice. What a break. Hello beautiful people, we are done. Well, we're going home now. I'm gonna drop her off. The grandmas, both of us coloured in, and she did like bright neon things and I did like a more pastel. I coloured in a tea set. That was cute, but it's in a devotional book, so there's purpose behind it. In a way, I'll go right down the devotional part later on. But yeah, it's been good. If you want to hike in Pretoria, I highly recommend this place, Faerie Glen Nature Reserve. And yeah, if you want to get out, if you are unfit like me and or need the sun, go or come here. It's great. And there's dogs. We've seen a few dogs already today.
They're also
They're
like
so cute.
zebras and...
Where?
We didn't see them today. Usually they're like zebras
okay.
and like bats and like, yeah.
We saw bugs though, and birds. Bugs and birds.
Yeah.
We saw bugs and
Oh,
birds.
there's like what is it? Bird watch.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah, there's
yeah.
a little bird watch perch that you can watch some. I saw a yellow one. For the people who know birds, help me out. It was black and yellow. It was not a bee, I promise. Oh, anyway, enjoy yourself, your day. That makes no sense, but it's fine. Enjoy your day and go be active.
Bye.
To some extent. Bye bye.